Come on and follow me. Harvey the Silver Fox here, inviting you to join my Let's Talk Bitcoin Facebook group, where you are welcome to hang out, to be notified of any new Bitcoin-related profit opportunities, such as how Bitcoin works, Bitcoin trading tips and strategies, best Bitcoin trading platforms, best Bitcoin games and locations, where the Bitcoin contests are, how to win Bitcoin, where to find free Bitcoin, best Bitcoin online casinos, best Bitcoin investments, a guide to Bitcoin scams, Bitcoin and altcoin news, cryptocurrency profit techniques, cryptocurrency Bitcoin mining sources and how they work, crypto sports betting, best high-yield investment programs, top hypes and how to find them, hype reviews, initial coin offerings, which ICOs to buy, ICO reviews, and more. Now scroll down into the description of this video to find the link to join the Let's Talk Bitcoin Facebook group. Do you have a legit Bitcoin-related profit opportunity? Yes? Then post your opportunity so our Facebook group team can take a look at it to see if it's a good fit for our group. Wait. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ring that little bell, like, share, and comment on this video. One last thing. You're invited to also post your best Bitcoin-related opportunities or opportunity for free in our Bitcoin Rollers rating platform from the Let's Talk Bitcoin Facebook group. Okay, you know what to do. Follow me. I'll be waiting for you inside.